So this is the Indie Signature debit card, which I finally received after a week of opening the account in IndusLand Bank via the Indie app. So yeah, in this video we are going to just unpack it and I will tell you about all the features of this debit card, which is more like the benefits of getting a credit card. So stay till the end of this video and I will also share the eligibility criteria of obtaining this card. So let's start the video. But before that, if you are new to our channel, do subscribe to Tech Press and press that bell icon so that you never miss the notification whenever we post a new video on our channel. So let's unpack this plastic envelope first. And while we are at it, I will tell you about the benefits of this card. So this card gives you 3% cashback in the form of jewels whenever you do any fuel related transactions at the petrol pump, and one jewel is equal to 1 rupees. So you will directly get 3% cashback whenever you swipe your card or pay with your UPI on the Indie app. But the condition is that you have to be a Megastar account holder, which you can become by maintaining a balance of 50,000 or above. And if you are interested in maintaining this balance, then I will leave the link of the account opening in the description, by which if you deposit 50,000 rupees into your account during the account opening process, you will get 250 rupees cashback. Also, this is an zero balance account. Even if you don't maintain any balance, you are not going to get charged. So that was it for the eligibility criteria. Let's open the seal of the envelope. I like the simplicity of this debit card. Unlike other big envelopes, it have a very small and compact envelope, clean and minimalistic. So let me take all the contents out of the envelope now. Let's see. I like how they did it. Oh, where is the card? It was supposed to be here, right? Let me see where it is. Okay, it was inside here. So this is the Indie Signature debit card. And also when you order this debit card, you get the option to get a numberless debit card as well. But I got it with the numbers embedded it in, because it's a hassle to reach for your app again and again when you want to use your card online. I like the design of this card. It's just like a wallet. It's designed to just mimic like a wallet. Also, we get a daily ATM withdrawal limit of 2 lakh rupees, online shopping limit of 4 lakh rupees, and POS transaction limit of 4 lakh rupees. Also, this card supports NFC, which nowadays all the cards support it. So you can pay up to 5,000 rupees by just tapping your card at POS machine, which supports NFC payments, of course. And you can pay up to 5,000 rupees without entering any type of PIN. But if you want to pay above 5,000 rupees by tapping your card, you do have to enter the PIN on the POS machine. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope that you liked this video. If you liked it, please subscribe to our channel and also share this with your friends.